Hi all, welcome back to another video of PHP. In this video we are going to discuss the concept AJAX. AJAX is the abbreviation of Asynchronous, JavaScript and XML. AJAX is a technique for creating fast and dynamic web pages. It allows web pages to be updated asynchronously by exchanging small amount of data with the server behind the scenes. This means that it is possible to update parts of a web page without reloading the whole page. Classic web pages, that is, which do not use AJAX, must reload the entire page if the content should change. Examples of applications using AJAX are Google Maps, Gmail, YouTube, and Facebook tabs. Now we are going to discuss how it works, how AJAX works. It is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Here we have the figure browser. In the browser, an event occurs. Browser create an XML HTTP request object, then send this object through internet to the server. The server process HTTP request and create a response and send data back to the browser. Now, via internet, the browser process the returned data using JavaScript, update page content. I hope you understand. Browser sending a XML HTTP request to the server process it and creates a response, then browser receives the response and update the page content. AJAX is based on internet standards. AJAX and is based on internet standards XML HTTP request object to change data asynchronously with a server. Then JavaScript DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model to display interact with the information. A loosely typed scripting language DOM. Then JavaScript function is called when object occurs in a page. Document Object Model is API for accessing and manipulating structured documents. CSS. To style the data allows for a clear separation of the presentation style from the content and may be changed programmatically by JavaScript. XML, often used as the format for transferring extensible markup language. Now, we have the difference between AJAX and conventional CGI program. Try these two examples one by one and you will feel the difference. While typing AJAX example, there is no discontinuity and you get the response very quickly. But when you try the standard CGI example, you would have to wait for the response and your page also get refreshed. I hope you understand. In the AJAX example, automatically changes the content. Here we have 1 into 3, 3 automatically detected. In the standard example, the whole page get reloaded. Now we have the example for the home page, AJAX home. In this home page, we are going to send XML HTTP request. Here we have all these parameters inside show hint function. We are going to check this string text hint is there. Inside that we have a combination of names. Then we are going to send XML HTTP request using get method, using get hint, then question mark q, then string true. We will send this request to get hint page. We have this get hint page here. Now we have one input box that shows a text, and inside that when you type something on the text box, you may feel the difference. That is the usage of AJAX. I explain you. Here we have an array with names Nafi, Aflaha, Ajsal, Nihala, Amrin, Ansiba, Arjun, Dulkifli, Shifa, Firas, Aisha, Safura, Uwais, Shabib, Salaha, Jawad, Varsha, Adil. All these names are kept under an array. We are sending request from this page, AJAX homepage, to this get hint PHP. Now here we are going to check the query string. If I type A, it will show the names start with A. Accordingly, then A, B, like that. When you type something on the text box, it will reflect on the result, your choices. Now see the output. Here we have under PHP examples, AJAX is the then AJAX homepage. Here I am going to type something. For example, A. If I type A, Aflaha, Ajsal, Amrin, Nansiba, Arjun, Aisha, Adil, everything is displayed. Then AJ, Ajsal only is the then AF, Aflaha. According to that, when you type something on the text box, it will reflect in the suggestions. Now when you type something different, we have here we have name Dulkifli is there. You type D, yes, Dulkifli. Now this is the usage of AJAX. So AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. You can change the content dynamically during runtime without refreshing the world page. So I hope you understand the difference between AJAX and conventional CGI program. Thank you.